So section 9(1)(I). BIT which Travel Port LP USA. The income deemed to accrue and arise in India. The business connection, providing information, providing reservation, providing transaction processing, and providing related service to airlines and travel agency and other travel related entities by utilizing the computerized reservation systems. CRS 15% of profit was attributable to India, DTAA India USA. So the tribunal held that since major port of business activities are carried out outside India in US and only limited activities are attributable to India, 15% of the revenue was enough to be attributed towards activities done in India. So in this case, they said that only this percentage of income to be attributable to India, it will be taxed in India, even though we have an Indian US DTA. Hmm. So most of the activities is done there. So we need to see more, but this is a good judgment actually. We are not completely coming out the full taxation, only a part of it is taxed. That's good.